Now, the Anti-Corruption Bureau in Rajasthan has arrested the suspended BJP mayor Soumya Gujjar's husband Rajaram Gujjar in a case of corruption. Also named in the case is a senior RSS pracharak Nimbaram. The case dates back to the 10th of June when some videos shot on a mobile went viral. The videos show Rajaram Gujjar discussing a commission for the release of payments due to BVG company. BVG is in charge of garbage collection in Jaipur. The mayor's husband was allegedly discussing the release of payments worth 276 crore to the company in return for a cut with the BVG representative.
हमने दो फोरेंसिक लेबोरेटरीज की हेल्प ली है, राजस्थान फोरेंसिक लेबोरेटरी की और एक अन्य राज्य की प्रतिष्ठित एफएसएल की हमने हेल्प ली है। और उस रिपोर्ट के आने के बाद और सारे जो तथ्य हैं उनका विश्लेषण करने के बाद प्राइमा फेसाई ये रिवील होता है कि एक पब्लिक सर्विस के लिए, लोक सेवा के लिए, लोक सेवक से जुड़े हुए घनिष्ठ रिश्तेदार द्वारा रिश्वत मांगी गई है और एक कंपनी द्वारा रिश्वत ऑफर की गई है और एक अन्य व्यक्ति की सहयोगात्मक उपस्थिति उसमें रही है। तो इन सब को देखते हुए हमने प्रिवेंशन ऑफ करप्शन एक्ट में एक मुकदमा दर्ज किया है।
इस प्रकरण में जो मुख्यतः जो ऑडियो वीडियो कहाँ बनी थी और उसका जो मूल स्रोत क्या है उसके बारे में हम पूरे जांच करेंगे। इसके अलावा इस कंपनी के जो पेंडिंग बिल्स थे, किस कारण से बिल्स क्लियर नहीं हुए थे, कितने पेंडिंग थे और उसमें एक जो प्राइवेट आदमी है राजाराम, उनका क्या रोल है, वो क्यों इनके साथ बातचीत कर रहे थे, इसके बारे में हम जांच करेंगे। इसके अलावा इस कंपनी की जो सारे कागजात है और इन्होंने कितने बार उन्होंने बिल पेश किया है और इन सब के बारे में जांच होगी। और कुछ जगह सर्चेस चल रही है और बीवीजी कंपनी और राजाराम के बीच में अगर कोई ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ हो या और कोई अगर एविडेंस कागजात वगैरह मिले उसको भी हम जब्त करके अनुसंधान में उनको यूज़ करेंगे।
Well, let's go across to Harsha now for more. And Harsha, this case is bound to have political repercussions.
Well, absolutely, Gargi, because, you know, Soumya Gujjar, who was the mayor of JMC, Jaipur Municipal Corporation Greater, because it's been divided into two bits. So she was suspended actually because there was an allegation that some corporators assaulted a municipal commissioner in her office, in her presence. And so she was suspended by the government. She went to court against that suspension, and that court has also rejected her application. So there was that entire political crisis about her being suspended. Also the fact that, when she was made mayor, apparently a lot of the MLAs in Jaipur, the BJP MLAs in Jaipur, were really not very happy with the fact that she was picked up to be mayor, and they were not consulted on that. She's believed to be close to a certain faction in the BJP. So the factionalism in the BJP also, in the beginning a lot of the MLAs did not come out in support of her. And also the fact that an RSS pracharak has been named in an anti-corruption bureau FIR. That is also going to have very, very deep political reverberations in the state, definitely in the times to come. The Congress had earlier also done a press conference on the issue and tried to raise it. But now with an FIR and the person actually being named in the case, it's definitely going to have a lot of repercussions, both for the Congress and the BJP in Rajasthan.
All right, Harsha, thanks so much for joining us with all those details.